Hey Rich, I'm over at Avondale, and the homeowner commented that the water when it's coming out of the rain, the handheld unit does make a really odd noise, and I've confirmed that it does. So it's off right now, but as soon as I turn it on, you can hear that it comes and goes in waves. If I turn it on from the shower head, the shower head itself is quite loud, so I'm just trying to turn it down so I can hear the noise over it. But you can still hear it. It sounds like it feels a little bit like a vibration in the cartridge. So I don't know if there's an adjustment in the cartridge that needs to be made, but this noise is quite annoying and unusual. So I'd like to have you have a look at that if you can, please, and thank you. Again, the vibration, I can feel it in the handle here. I'm not sure if it's dependent on the temperature. Just trying a few different temperatures out. Again, I can feel it in the handle. The quietest temperature is when it's all the way at hot. But as soon as I start mixing cold and hot, that's when it starts picking up noise. So yeah, if you could have a look at that as soon as possible, please and thanks. That'd be appreciated. Also, I found at the Home Depot, although it's a really cheap plastic version, it did not work very well. I found the little shut-off thing that we're looking for, but I'm gonna see if I can find a heavier duty one. I got this little one at the Home Depot. Again, it's all plastic, and the ball valve in the middle is a plastic ball valve, so you can see when it's in the closed position, it's white plastic, not metal, so it's not really holding the pressure. I'm going to see if we can get a heavier grade one that does a better job. But that's essentially what we're looking for. That way it'll sit on the handheld. We can turn that on at all times and the water will come out of here and she can adjust it from the handheld. So again, if you could just come by and have a look at that as soon as possible, that'd be greatly appreciated. Thanks.